30 seconds and I'm entering a deemed not guilty plea. I'm not having this conversation. I'm not wasting my time.
Are you entering a plea on behalf of your Honour?
Yeah, because you're refusing to enter a plea.
Are you practising law from the bench, Your Honour?
I think you can't.
Are you practising law from the bench? Are you
Don't talk to me like that, Mr. King. I hold you in contempt and have you detained. Stop wasting my time.
There you go, bro. Straight there.
You want to watch out where you point that camera, man.
Why's that?
You'll want to watch out where you point that camera.
Why?
Oh, they don't need to film in there.
It's a public building, isn't it? Yeah, well, alright, section 14, 1990, mate. I've already been in discussion with the court about this.
Oh, okay.
And I've recorded inside this place many times before, so I'm not really scared of any other route.
Oh, okay.
It's that simple. Cheers for your concern. Oh shit. Is there just... Excuse me. Can you tell me who the judge is in here today, could you?
When is the judge coming?
Oh, no, who he is, or she.
Oh.
Just after the name.
I need to ask. Black. Judge Black.
Black? Thank you. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Not too bad. I'm trying to find out the name of the judge or JP that's presiding in courtroom 2 today on my case. Prosecution case.
Unfortunately, we can't give that information out, even though it's, you're subject to listening out in court. We can't give out that information.
How am I supposed to ascertain the standing of the judge prior to the proceedings?
Well, I'm sorry, but we can't give out that information.
Am I not entitled to know the name of the referee or the judge?
No, not prior to the proceedings. You can ask once you're in the courtroom, but I can't give out that information in the hands.
If I walked into the courtroom up there and asked them, would they tell me?
Yeah, they might.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
We are unable to provide the name of the judge presiding on this day until said day. Kind regards, Georgina Dawson.
I do have an email here from Georgina Dawson telling me to come in and ask at the front counter on the day to find out the name. So why would she send me that email?
I'm not sure, but I'll speak to her about it. But
If you could, if you could get it for me, I'd love that.
Yeah.
I'd love to speak to her.
Okay, I'll see if she's in the
Just
office.
tell her my name's Mark. Sorry, hard of hearing.
She's not here today.
Okay, what about Kim Hood's?
I'll see if she's here.
I've got another name with Fiona Parks. I've corresponded with all
I'm
of
sorry,
them.
so I'm not going to be dragging everyone up from the office for you to ask.
I'm not asking you to drag anyone, I'm asking you to speak to one of your
Okay,
public
what
servants.
is it regarding?
In regards to being told via email previous to coming here today that if I come to this counter and ask for the name of the Justice of the Peace or the judge that's presiding, that I'd be given that information, and you're telling me no. So
No, we won't be giving you that information, and there's nothing that they can tell you.
are you trying to hide something? Is there a reason
no,
why?
there's absolutely nothing I'm trying to hide.
Okay, so Kim Hood's, Fiona Parks. If Georgina's not here, I'd like to speak to one of those, please.
Fiona's not here today, she's not answering the phone, and
And
as far as I'm aware, Fiona is in court.
Yeah, okay. Alright, thank you. Your name's not Grant, is it? Your name's not Grant, is it? Grant? Your name's not Grant?
Yeah, yeah.
I thought I recognised you. That's alright, just checking. Sorry?
Who are you?
I just recognised you from a couple of years ago over at the North Shore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, I just remembered. It's alright. Okay guys, well, I'm in Auckland. A little bit dying for a piss right now, but it's probably TMI. Just coming up to 1:10 The court thing's in just over an hour. I did go in and check this morning. What I've got for them is not only have I got all the paperwork, the fee schedules, the correspondence that I've had with Auckland District Court, what I have here in my hot little hands is a plea of guilty, an unsigned plea of guilty. My intention is to plead guilty, provided the nature and cause of the proceedings can be explained to me, and the answer of whether or not the prosecution's established evidence of jurisdiction to the court in regards to the matter also. I have here a motion to dismiss. Basically just say I enter this motion to dismiss due to lack of personal jurisdiction, because they don't have any. I haven't seen any evidence of it. So there's that one. I also have, because I've noticed a few of these people are getting rattled when answering questions or asking questions of the prosecutor or the judge. So I have here points of clarification for the prosecution, and I have points of clarification for the court, which is basically just yes/no answers. 1, am I entitled to make a fully informed plea? 2, am I presumed innocent of every element of this allegation? 3, am I entitled to being informed of the cause and nature of these proceedings? 4, am I entitled to a fair and meaningful meaningful hearing here today? Number 5, is jurisdiction an element of this alleged offence? 6, has the prosecution satisfied the element of jurisdiction to this court? 7, is it not prosecutorial misconduct for the prosecution not to satisfy the element of jurisdiction? 8, what does the judge represent in this matter, not who? 9, does the New Zealand Bill of Rights Act 1990 apply in this courtroom? 10, can this court accept an uninformed plea? 11, can I receive clarification of the nature and cause of the charges and proceedings? 12, do I have the right to know if jurisdiction has been established? And and that's that one. Now for the prosecution, I've put here, what evidence can the prosecution produce to show the Land Transport Act 1998 applies to me? Number 2, who is the paymaster? I'm working for them, surely they've got record. Same with number 3, where are the timesheets? And number 4, what evidence of payment has the prosecution produced to show I was operating within the jurisdiction of New Zealand Police? Number 5, what evidence of corpus delicti has been produced? Number 6, has the prosecution satisfied the element of jurisdiction to this court? Number 7, is not it prosecutorial misconduct for prosecution not to satisfy the element of jurisdiction? 8, has the prosecution received our correspondence dated 15th of June 2017? And these are just questions I'm asking. If these questions can't be answered, no plea will be entered. And we will see what happens. Okay. So we'll see you then. Ah, she's cold out there, bro. Freezing. That's enough.
Just hold on to this. That's a stick.
You want that one as
No,
well?
you can hold the. Yeah. I think we. You want a receipt for it, sir? So
Yes,
you can
please.
pick it? Just write it up for you, sir.
Been here like 5 times, you guys can pull me up on that. What about the choker chain?
You can check someone if you want.
Really? I'll remember that.
Remember, come back to me. Just write your name here. Just pick it up when you're done. And sign here.
Sure.
Cheers. Just write your name there and you can sign it.
Alright.
Say that we got.
Sure.
Get it back to me.
Date?
Give you the receipt.
Cool.
We will be here and give it back to you. Okay?
Sure. Made it.
Thanks, man.
Yes, please. What a shithole. Look.
got a first name there, sir?
I've just had direction from the judge to take all your recording equipment off you and give back to you when you leave the court.
Why is that?
Because of, I believe it's because of some stuff that's been put up on the internet.
I believe I was here to discuss the matter of recording in the court today.
Okay.
I'm not going to be relinquishing any of my...
Well, you need to relinquish it or leave the court. And if I think it's correct to me, and then you ask permission, I'll stay here with it. And then if he says yes you can, then I'll get back to you. At the moment the direction is from the judge that I am to take any recording equipment, any equipment that you could possibly record with, and then give it to you when you leave.
Where does the judge derive any authority over my stuff?
Over me?
In this courtroom, and I've given this court notice of my intent well before this time. The court has not supplied any reason as to why I can't.
You are not allowed to record.
Can you back that with something in
Yes,
writing?
yes, I can.
I'd like to see the order.
Okay.
If the judge has given you an order, I'd like to see that in writing, please.
I have an email from the judge directing me.
Can I see that email?
No, you can't see the email.
Well, then I can't just take your word for it. Sorry, Grant.
Yeah, that's what I say is, well, then you can't leave the court with it. With your equipment, if you either give me your equipment or you have equipment. One of the
So am I being denied the right to be heard?
No, you're not being done the right to be heard. All I'm saying is I take your equipment and then you can seek permission from the judge. If he says you can, I'll give it back to you. If he says no you can't, I'll hold it.
This is highly inappropriate. Absolutely.
It's because of stuff that's been put up on the internet. Whether it's by you or somebody, whether it's by you or somebody else, I don't know.
What? I need to hear what you're talking about. I don't understand anything you're
All
going
I know, I don't know myself.
Right, then I'll give you some clarification and come back to me. Or show me this direction in
I
writing.
have been given the direction from the
Can
judge.
I see that in writing, please?
Huh?
Can I see that in writing?
Okay, I'll show you the email if you want. I have an email from the judge directing me.
Can I see that email?
No, you can't. Huh?
Can I see that in writing?
Okay, I'll show you the email if you want.
Sure, I'd like to see it. What's all this?
Huh? What's all this? Oh,
There's no need for you guys to stand around me. I don't need this intimidation.
This is my court, I'm running my court.
That's cool.
You don't need to tell me what I have to do.
You're a public servant, aren't you?
Yeah.
Great, thank you. I'm not interested in talking to you.
Okay. This is from Judge. Okay, please.
Oh, really? Security today.
Yeah, so there we go, cell phone keys, lots of quotes if you put more on these, so. You're a flu with the rules regarding recording in the courtroom. And that's it.
No.
Sorry? Oh, it says just a friendly reminder that you can not record anybody, any staff members without their permission.
Is there
Are you recording at the
statutory
moment? Without their permission, you're not allowed to say. Are you recording now?
Can you show me the statutory law that enforces that?
It can be. I can get the court manager if you'd like to.
I've spoken to Carl Lewis about this yesterday. I've also given notice that I will be doing as I wish. What's your name, is it?
Hey?
What's your name?
Right.
Thanks, Grant.
Mark, nice to meet
Good to meet you, mate.
Sergeant Judge here, registry seeks your Honour's direction to hold all of Mark Keen's recording devices while he is attending court today. In help,
Can I get a copy of this?
You can ask the judge for that. I can't. I'm not getting.
I'd like to have a copy of that.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you ask the judge for a copy. I'm sure you'll. I can't.
I'll tell you what. That's disgusting.
Yeah, I'll stay in the court.
I'd like a receipt with this.
Yeah, I'll stay in the court. Yeah. You want to just have a look in your bag to make sure there's nothing else, please? Do you have a phone on you?
It's in my bag. What's that?
Because that's recording devices. Now, I myself have appeared in your videos myself.
I know we have, Grant. What of it?
you know.
So I shouldn't have mentioned hello to you when I left then. Is that?
Well, no, I didn't click them. It's only over the last half hour since I've heard this. I thought I clicked it and who's who. I don't know.
Well, for such a thing as a public courtroom,
No, I don't know, but that is the rule.
you don't understand. This little right, section 14 gives me the right to seek and impart opinions, and you're not having my cell phone.
Yeah,
I'll turn it off.
It's a recording device.
I'll turn it
I'll
off.
stand here and hold it for you.
I'm not giving you my cell
Well,
phone.
then
It is my private property.
So is all this. I'm not going to take it. We're going to get temporary custody devices. And I'll stand here in the meantime with it. In fact, I'll just bring it over, put it over here if you like. I'll put it over here.
These things, it's a matter of marking. Yes, Mr. Kidd, you don't need to go into the clock, that's fine. Mr. Kidd, we're here, as I understand it, to enter a plea requested a hearing in relation to infringement offence with which you've been charged. You need to formally have a plea entered and then arrange a hearing date.
Am I entitled to a fully informed opinion?
Well, what do you mean by that?
Or am I entitled to know the nature and cause of these proceedings and charges?
Well, if it's an infringement offence, you were served with an infringement notice, you requested a hearing, and so a hearing needs to proceed.
Am I presumed innocent of every element of the charge or allegation?
Yes, well, you are, and that's why we want to record the plea so that it can go up for a hearing.
So there's the prosecution satisfied the element of jurisdiction to proceed?
What do you mean?
Has the prosecution supplied evidence of jurisdiction?
What do you mean?
Well, for myself to be brought forward, surely the police must have jurisdiction in the first place, yes?
Well, the court has jurisdiction over everyone in the
I'm not questioning the court's jurisdiction, sir. I'm questioning the police. Have the prosecution provided and satisfied the element of jurisdiction for this matter to be heard?
They're not required to, Mr. King.
Am I not presumed innocent of jurisdiction?
No, you're not presumed innocent of jurisdiction. You're presumed to be subject to the jurisdiction of this court that got to deal with law.
Is jurisdiction an element of the allegation?
No.
How is that possible?
Mr. King, don't make yourself a nuisance.
Excuse me, sir. I'm not making use of it. I'm merely asking for points of clarification.
Well, there's no clarification required. The police...
Objection, Your Honour. Am I entitled to make a fully informed plea?
No, Steve, not guilty plea.
Are you entering sir, my intention today is to a fully signed plea of guilty. I have one right here in my hand.
All right, well, I'll interrupt you.
I have some questions to ask before I can do that. I need clarification, sir.
No.
Why is
I'm not
that?
going to entertain some stupid discussion about whether the police have jurisdiction to issue infringement notices.
I'm asking if they have jurisdiction or evidence that I was under their jurisdiction for them to issue the allegation. What evidence of jurisdiction have the police provided?
You either plead guilty or not. I don't care what you plead. I'm not going to have this discussion with you. If you want to test jurisdiction, see how you've done with the
Is jurisdiction not allowed to be challenged at any point during the proceedings, Your Honour?
You can test that, Mr. King, if you think you can get away with trying to test it at a defendant hearing.
Objection, point of clarification.
I'm not entertaining a discussion about jurisdiction today, Mr. King.
Why is that?
Because
Is that not an element that
this
should
is
be
my
said?
court, and I run it in the way I see fit. And if you don't like it, you can leave.
Is that right, sir?
Yes.
Can I have a copy of the order that you issued the security? Have my recording equipment removed from my
I
possession?
simply made a direction.
I was told you had given an order for me to have my equipment removed. I'd like a copy of that in writing, please, Your Honour.
You can make a request in the normal way.
Well, I was told by security to ask you for that now.
Well, it's just an email.
Yeah, I would like evidence of that, please, sir.
I've got the email. Probably on. I haven't got it immediately in front of me.
So where should I inquire it?
You simply email the registry and ask for a copy of it.
I have asked this court for many things and not been supplied anything in regards to that.
That's what you asked them for.
I've asked them to establish, well, I've sent them 21 questions and haven't got any answers whatsoever. Just really take action because I told you.
Questions, Mr. King, are absolute nonsense. And you're wasting
How is the jurisdiction of this court or of the New Zealand courts nonsense, you're right?
30 seconds and I'm entering a deem not guilty plea. I'm not having this conversation. I'm not wasting my time with someone who wants to have some.
I wish you were fully informed, please, Your Honour.
Deem not guilty.
Are you entering a plea on behalf of me, Your Honour?
Yeah, because you're refusing to enter a plea.
Are you practising law from the bench, Your Honour?
I think you can't.
Are you practising law from the bench? Are you
Don't talk
representing
to me like that, Mr. King. I hold you in contempt and have you detained. Stop wasting my time. A deem not guilty plea. Find me a fixed date. I want it in front of the judge.
Is that all, Your Honour?
I'm just going to give you a fixture date.
Oh, it might be suitable for me, that'd be great.
How long do you think it will take?
Well, waiting for you to be an officer. 4 or 5 weeks would be fine.
No, how long do you think that hearing will take?
That depends on the prosecution's evidence, doesn't it?
Ms. Hicks, do you?
Second, just the other one.
Just be the police officer.
Depending on cross-examination, the latest evidence should take half an hour.
I allocate an hour and a half.
My last hearing took over 4.
Pardon me, sir?
Is that date suitable for you?
What was the date again?
7 November.
That should be fine, thank you.
Then not looking for the judge on trial 7 November, 10 a.m. 2 hours. Thank you.
Stress is the most control over the body's design.
All over YouTube.
Well, mate, you work in a public office.
Yeah, no.
It's one of those things, you know. Cops don't seem to like it. Guess how much money you guys made, or the cops made, on speed tickets last year?
Probably got that on me.
Have a guess. Wild guess. Be over the top.
I'll better say probably around
86,740,000. That's how much they made in speeding tickets last year. And they've been doing that consistently now for the last 15 years. Make requests and broken on that.
You go. There you go. There's all your stuff. Thank you very much. Yeah. So this when you come back in November, it'll be the same thing.
Oh, I'll put a request into the court, whether it's to leave it at home or not.
Oh, yeah, that's probably the best bit. It's up to them. Yep.
All right.